Hello everyone and welcome to my channel for today's recipe. As you see, we will be making those little cute, beautiful fruit cakes. They're so soft and fluffy and so delicious and so simple to make. And they will make your celebration table look $1,000,000. So let's get started on this. We are starting off by beating 4 eggs into a bowl. Now we're adding 2 cups of granulated sugar, Now let's whisk it all up with your electric mixer until it's all nice and fluffy. And now let's sift in 3 cups of flour. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. At this point, we are adding 1 cup of sparkling water and 1 cup of vegetable oil. We'll mix up all the ingredients with your electric mixer and then pour it into a parchment-lined spring form. Alright, the cake is ready for the oven. Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Here we are all baked up, so we'll just remove it from the spring form by loosening up the sides with a knife. Cut the cake in the middle so you have 2 pieces. Using your largest biscuit or cookie cutter, cut out round circles from the cake. If your biscuit cutter is smaller than the one I have, it's also okay. We will have a little bit of trimmings here which you can enjoy like that or use them to make some cake pops. For the filling, we're using 5 milliliters of whipping cream, half a cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and let's keep that whisking until it's stiff and fluffy. While the cream is whisking, I'll perform a little beauty surgery on my little cakes here by evening out the surface so they're all the same size. I'll transfer my little mini cakes on a serving platter so we don't have to move them later on. The cream is almost ready, and if you want to check if it is ready, you can just lift up the whisk. If the cream sticks to the beater, the cream is all done. So before we start filling the cream, we will infuse our mini cakes with some lemon juice. I used 2 lemons to have enough lemon juice to infuse all of my little cakes. We will also get our fruits ready for the decorating part by cutting up 4 strawberries into 4 pieces and washing our blueberries and cherries. Alright, let's get to the filling part. So I'm using my piping bag with my favorite tip attached. You can use any tip you want and then fill the cream inside the bag. I'm just piping little flowers inside my mini cakes, but you can pipe any design you want in there. I will also use a little bit of blueberries to fill the center of the cake. So we will also use the same kind of design we have inside our cakes on top of the cake and just put little flowers on there. Let's get to the favorite part, decorating the little cakes. It's so much fun. You can do any type of design or do the same. It's totally up to you how you want your little cakes looking. And here we are, we're all beautiful and done. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and share this recipe to your friends and family.